Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram internet not working, loading problems and network errors quickly and easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now turn on your airplane mode and again turn off your airplane mode. Okay, and now long tap your Instagram app and tap on F info or I button, scroll down, then tap on storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data, delete. Okay, back and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up, then tap on permission option and first to last allow permission, first calendar allow and another for locks, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, then tap on Instagram. Now check updated Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and now open your Instagram app and easily solve your problem. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.